So first of all, I'm going to cut a double piece of the yarn so I can tie the pom-pom. Normally I would do it here to make it bigger pom-pom and then we can shape it, but as I said, not much left. I'm going to make it a little bit down on my fingers. I tend to spread my fingers a little bit to make it nice, but we'll see how it goes now. So the pom-pom can be small, big, huge, it's up to you. We'll just do that. Okay, so now this is the end of our whole yarn, and I'm pretty sure it will be a lovely pom-pom. So what I do, I hold it like that and take the little piece I left, put it in, fold it in two, and roughly make sure it's in the middle. Now it's not in the middle. Look at this, maybe roughly. So tie it like that. And then do a knot. So you will need these two edges, so don't cut them. I think I pulled one of these. No. So I'm going to bring the nice sharp scissors and I'll continue. Okay, so I would advise you to hold these two edges like this. Make sure you don't cut them. And you start cutting the yarn. So now we need to attach the pom-pom. If you want, you can cut it here and shape it here. Sometimes I find it easier to shape it on the hat, but okay, let's shape it here. Sorry. Didn't realize that was so. So just look from the top, and whatever is not right, try and cut it. I think this will be absolutely gorgeous pom-pom. Thank you, Jesus. I didn't want to buy a whole ball of yarn just for a pom-pom, but this is more than enough. This is how our Lord is. He's always more than enough.